Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making creamy green beans. Super easy, super cozy, and honestly one of those why don't I make this more often dishes? Let's jump in. Alright, grab your green beans and give them a quick rinse. We just want to snip off those ends, nothing complicated. And if you see any that look a little wonky, you can fix them up too. Honestly, this part goes fast. Kind of relaxing, right? Once they are all cleaned up, we are heading straight to the pot. Alright, the water's already boiling, so in go the green beans. Give them a quick stir so they are fully under, then sprinkle in some salt. As they cook, they will turn a brighter green, always looks so good. Let them soften gently, no need to rush. And don't pour out the water later, we are going to need a good amount of it for the sauce, around a couple of cups give or take, so keep plenty aside. Grab a separate pan and melt the butter over medium heat. Once melted, sprinkle in the flour and whisk it in. It will turn into a smooth paste pretty quickly. That's exactly what we want. This little base is what gives the sauce its cozy thickness. Just keep it moving so it doesn't catch on the bottom. It only takes a moment and you will see it come together beautifully. Now let the lined bean boil, around 2 cups. Pour and whisk at the same time, just until everything comes together and the sauce smooths out. Next, pour in the whipping cream and give it a gentle stir. Let it heat through for a moment. You will see the sauce turn silky and start looking really good. Alright, let's build the flavor slowly. Add just a small splash of vinegar to start and a light pinch of black pepper. We can always add more later. Give it a stir and let the sauce simmer gently. This is where everything mellows out and comes together. You will see it thicken a bit and smell amazing. If you are unsure, taste a tiny spoonful. You can always adjust the tang or the pepper afterwards. We are just letting it settle into itself right now. Time to bring it all together. Add the cooked green beans straight into the sauce and give everything a gentle mix. Make sure they are all coated. That creamy layer on every bean is what makes this so good. Simple, cozy, perfect. And that's it. Creamy green beans all done. Such a simple dish, but honestly it hits every single time. This is perfect with boiled potatoes, hard-boiled eggs and little chopped spring onion on top. Super cozy, super comforting. The kind of food you make when you want something easy but still homemade. What I love about this is you can tweak it however you like. A little more vinegar if you want it brighter, more pepper if you like a bit of warmth. And the sauce? It thickens beautifully as it sits, so leftovers are actually even better. If you do ever make a bigger batch, trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for cooking with me today. It's always nice having you here. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share and follow Simply Food Recipes. It really helps a lot. And if you try this dish, let me know how it turned out. I will see you in the next one.